Hello dear customers, see you again here. This is Lydia from Shenzhen Fortress. Today I would like to introduce our new product to you. Yeah, that's it. And we'll introduce the way to use it. Okay, then let's start it. This is a very cute small paper tube box for packing dried tea or dried fruits. Yes, and with a clear window on the body. Yes, and then your customers can see your products inside. Okay, so the first step, let's open the lid like this way. And then pack your dry fruits inside. Because our materials are food grade, so you could pack your food inside directly. Yeah, and then close the lid. Yes, then it's finished, so it is very easy to use. Okay, so if you want to know more details, welcome to inquire to us. See you next time. Bye.